welcome to this channel. In this video, let's learn about the knight. Let's get started. Knight is placed in the first rank or row. A knight is worth 3 points. So, as we know, our bishop is worth 3 points and our knight is worth 3 points. A knight in chess is a very unique piece because of its movement. You know, bishops can go diagonal and pawns can go 2 steps straight or 1. But a knight can go jump like this, like an L shape. And how we can do that easy is we do 1, 2, turn. Again. 1, 2, turn. Knights are the only piece in chess that can jump spaces. Perhaps we have a knight right here, our opponent's knight, and we think we have to capture that. Do you think we can? Yes, we can, because it's in an L shape. So we'll go 1, 2, turn. And a knight, if it's in the middle of a board, like over here, then it has 8 spaces it can go. 1, 2, turn. But for some, we have to go up, space, space. Or up, turn. We have 2 knights in a chess game. So we'll have 2 for our opponent and 2 for us. We have a dark square knight and a light square knight. So does our opponent, like our bishops. A quarter knight is a bad idea. And a quarter knight is when a knight is in the sides quarter. So if the knight is in a quarter, that means it's not a good idea because then we'll lose half of our 8 opportunities to move. We can only get 4. See, if our knight is in the middle, then it has 8 ways it can move. But when that knight is in the side, it can only go 4 different ways. These are all the facts about the knight. See you next time. Bye!